Types of cryptocurrency. The first blockchain based cryptocurrency. The first blockchain based cryptocurrency was Bitcoin, which still remains the most popular and most valuable today. There are thousands of alternate cryptocurrencies with various functions and specifications. Some of these are clones or forks of bitcoins, while others are new currencies that were built from scratch. Investopedia Initials tried the Investopedia stock simulator new to investmenting. Learn how to trade in real time on our stock simulator. Bitcoin. Bitcoin was launched in 2009 by an individual or group known by the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. As of August 2021, there were over 18.8 million bitcoins in circulation with a total market cap of around 858.9 billion, with the figure updating frequently. Only 21 billion bitcoins exist, preventing both inflations and manipulations. Some of the competing cryptocurrencies spined by Bitcoin success, known as altcoins, include Litecoin, Bitcoins, and Namecoins, as well as Ethereum, Cardano, and EOS by August 2021. The aggregate value of the cryptocurrencies is over 1.8 trillion. Bitcoin currently represents approximately 46.5% of the total value. Imported, very important. Although cryptocurrency bills itself as a form of money, the internal